Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2005 Aprilia RSV1000 R. This is Aprilia's full-size superbike, sport bike. Has a 997cc V-twin fuel-injected engine, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title California bike. The mileage is unknown. The odometer reset itself after the battery was disconnected. Very common of the Aprilias of this year and model. Bike runs very good, has one owner. The original owner thinks there's about 19 to 20,000 miles on this bike. Bike runs very good. V-twin rumble sounds great. New tires, front and rear. The bike is ready to ride at only $39.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Introduce that 408-730